the street. I should have run for the hills into everything. When I heard it talking, the better little sound. Should have recalled the silence and how things went down. I live among the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a criminals and grapes. Never mind, all I tried to leave you behind. I kept falling in your net. Oh, everything's so bland. But I learned for sure they will come when I first realize that it done. And if I get you, that repeat and revenge is served. When could bleed and you hear the road. They shut down when the world will stop without a sound. In the moment your world cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. About ourselves. About ourselves. But I know for sure that they will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah, on a cold plate, on a cold plate, on a cold plate. Strangers in the skies. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the road, turn us again with his shrill call into the strangers in disguise. But unto them, forget that crazy world, yeah, unto them. No need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit is finally right for having a last bite. This time we'll start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers in the skies. Back to the sharp grin of everyday life, wearing our almost cold as hearts. Two perfect strangers in disguise. But after them, forget our crazy world. Yeah, after them, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight melting down the night, blocking this fruit that's finally ripe for taking that last bite.
나는 어릴 적에 친구들이 내게 물었지. 너는 어디서 왔니? 우리랑은 많이 다르지. 너는 영어도 못하지. 너는 수학은 잘하겠지. 너는 머리도 까맣지. see